Hello friends, in this video we will configure the pre-filter and post-filter in our Spring Cloud API Gateway. In the last video I explained how this pre-filter and post-filter is worked. If you not seen that video, please check that video. You can check the link in the description. Okay, and one more thing, you can check my all code on GitHub repository, and also I will add the link in the description. You can check out that. Okay, so to create that pre-filter, we need to create one class. Okay, so name that class pre-filter. Okay, so this class we will create another that class with the component, and implement one plain filter, that is global. This is filter, right? Global filter from org Spring Framework Cloud API filter. Okay, so we need to implement that filter. It have one method. We have to implement that method. So let's implement that. Okay, this is the filter method we have to implement. And in this method, we have to add our pre-filter log. So to add log, just create one logger statement, right? Is equal to logger factory dot get logger, right? And pre-filter class. Import this. Okay, now we can add the logger here. Okay, let me explain what is this logger. So here, whenever we trigger any request, in we will print that request name. Okay, so and also we will add one more logger, that is let's add one more logger, that is right, something like inside. Okay, otherwise pre-filter executed. Okay, so whenever our pre-filter is execute, in that case it will print this log, right? First of all it will print this log pre-filter executed, and after that our request, whatever request we have, right? We will taking this exchange, right? We have servlet web exchange as argument, so we are getting the get request, get path, and toString. Okay, so we are getting that URL path, and just we are printing that URL path. Okay, let's add pre-filter here also. Okay, once we added that, so we have to add the chain, right? So let's add chain. We have this gateway filter chain, and we have to return that gateway filter chain here. Chain dot filter, and it will take that argument of servlet web exchange. Okay, that is the simple code. Just we added some logger here, and we added the chain filter, because if we have multiple filter in the chain, so in that case we need this to execute the next filter. If you have multiple filter, then you can order that filter by using the order annotation, and you can give that order number. Okay, so you can try on in our system. So in this case, we will add the only one filter. Okay, similarly, we have to add one more filter, that is the post filter. Let me add that filter. This is the similar filter like pre-filter. So I will add it, this my post filter. Okay, and this is also have the simple code. We have this my post filter. We have to implement the global filter. Okay, and just while chaining, we added that my post filter is executed. Okay, so simple code we have. We have this pre-filter. Okay, and after once this execute the pre-filter, it will execute our logic present in our user service, right? So we will trigger this URL, right? Status check URL. Once this logic is executed successfully, after that in our Spring Cloud API gateway, at last our post filter is executed and it will print the my post filter is executed. So this is all about. In next video we will debug this how it will work. Thank you.